Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling parts and placing the frame. Place the input chest where you can load materials, then connect a hopper feeding into a dispenser or crafting block. Once done, put a comparator next to the hopper to read item counts and wire redstone dust to an observer or repeater so signals travel. You do this because the comparator creates a pulse based on items, and the observer/repeater stabilizes it. This combination triggers the crafting mechanism reliably when counts change. Now you construct the actual crafting loop. Load the dispenser or dropper with pattern items and connect it to the crafting table or a system that places items into the grid, using hoppers to move items in precise order. Make sure observers watch the dispenser output and send short pulses. Adjust repeaters to sync with item travel time. You do this because timing prevents jams and ensures items arrive in correct slots. Also implement hopper filters so only desired items enter the recipe sequence. Finish by testing with one stack first and watching each transfer step. You should see items move, the comparator pulse, and the craft output appear in the output chest. If timing is off, make small repeater adjustments and observe again, because correct delay prevents double feeds and lost items. If a jam occurs, check hopper filters and chest space, then clear stuck items. Make sure to add a manual shutoff lever, so you can stop the machine instantly when something goes wrong and troubleshoot safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.